New construction is exciting, but I think it's also one of the most difficult decisions for people to decide because you're looking at a floor plan. You can't always touch and feel and truly understand exactly what you're buying, and we're talking about the most money that you're going to spend probably at one time in your lifetime. So what we want to do today is take you from renderings to reality. We're at downtown Greenville's hottest new neighborhood, the Kitson, and these aren't done yet. They're in the process of being done. But come on, let's give you a tour of what a 2-bedroom at the Kitson looks like. One of the great features of the Kitson is having a private garage. That's really hard to find in downtown Greenville, especially when you're buying a townhome. This is a 2-bedroom townhome, so this garage is what we call a tandem garage, and the way that it works is you park one car in front of the other. So you can fit 2 cars in here, and then you've got some storage over to the side. You've actually got great storage in these townhomes. So we've got the front door entrance with a big, beautiful door that's going to let in natural light. Your garage door entrance is right here as well. And then we're going to go upstairs where we've got the kitchen and the living room area. So our 2 bedrooms are what we call our interior units, and they're going to have a different layout than our end units, which are the 3 bedrooms. So here in the 2 bedrooms, you're going to come up the stairs. Your kitchen island is going to be here. You're going to have your refrigerator, your gas range, all of that is on this big wall with your cabinets. And then you're going to have this area over here to set up your living and dining room area. You've got a great nook over here, and truly interior units give you a lot of furniture flexibility. You could put a TV here if you wanted, or you could make it a desk. You could have chairs, or you could float a couch on the wall. You can put your TV in this nook, or that might be a great area for a desk if, say, you work from home or you've got a need for a computer in your life. And then over here is where you're going to have your private deck and your guest bathroom, and you've just got great storage everywhere. And upstairs you'll find 2 bedrooms. This is the owner's suite. You've got a closet this way, you've got your private bathroom up here, so you're gonna have dual vanities, a shower, and the toilet all right here for you. And this is the 2nd bedroom on the back of the townhome. So you've got these windows that'll let in natural light, and then you've got the private ensuite bathroom here with your tub and shower combo, as well as a private vanity. And then you've got your closet space, and you've got the laundry room in between bedrooms and a huge storage closet. So a lot of storage in this 2-bedroom townhome. It is still a work of art in progress, and I can't wait to show it to you when it's complete and beautiful and ready for the new owners to move in.